Let's go to leak code 2743. Count substrings without repeating characters. For this question, give us a string S, and let's count those kind of substrings which do not have repeating character. So, for example, let's look at the example 3. You see A, B, A, B. There are four substrings, and then every character appears only once. And then AB, it is A appear once, B appear once, and the BA in another AB. So total there are seven substrings. So that means for same character it cannot appear more than twice or more. So what we're thinking about is that we use two pointers. The first, let's change this array to S2 array, and we are going to have use n counts to get the frequency of the character, and we are going to use two pointers. And let's have n equals array dot length and right equals to 0, left equals to 0, and we are using a variable called dupe. That means if we count there is a character appears twice, then dupe will increase by 1. Initially, this dupe is 0, and we're going to have a result. So what we do is that for right smaller than n, right plus right. So we'll say counts array right minus a g plus right. So we'll say if this kind of counts, if this counts equals 2, then that means the dupe number should increase by 1, right? And we're going to have dupe should increase by 1. So what we do is that while this dupe is greater than 0, then we're going to move our left pointer. So before moving this left pointer, we should also update this kind of dupes, right? So that is left should decrease by 1, and left, right? So that means if there is a left, which after decrease, it become 1, right? Then our dupes will be decreased by 1. So let's say if this kind of dupe equals to 0, then our result should plus equal to, let's say, after we jump in this kind of while loop that is right, left, right? And that is the initial state. That means for this kind of substring, it satisfies the condition. And every substring which is smaller than this left right, right? So we fix right pointer in every substring which has left from this left to right will all satisfy the conditions. So we'll add right minus left plus 1. In the end, we return results. We have ON time complexity in the constant space complexity. Let's write a Python as well. So we are going to have counts equals multiplied by 6. And what we do is that we need to have dupe. And we have a left, right? Because in the right, we can in the for loop, we start equals length s, and the dupe left result should be 0. And what we do is that for right in range. And so we have cons over d s right minus rd to the increase by one. So if this one equals two, right? If this one equals two, then we have dupe the plus equal to one. So what we do is that while this dupe is greater than zero, then we're going to have move our left pointer, right? So before it move, we move the left pointer, which will update our left counts and tuple numbers. So this left. So if this one change to one, right, then our dupe should decrease by one, right? So after jumping this while loop, let's say if dupe equals zero, then we have results should plus equal to right and minus left plus one. And in the end, we return result.